How to file your Doordash and Uber taxes using TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is gather your income forms such as 1099 NEC and 1099K. Now, you want to log into your TurboTax account and start a new return. Then, you want to click on Income and Expenses. Then, from this category, select Self-Employment. Now, enter your employment type, such as rideshare Uber or delivery Doordash. Now you want to enter your 1099 NEC or 1099K information. To lower your taxable income, you want to enter your eligible deductions. Then enter your self-employment taxes, which is Schedule SE. As an independent contractor, you pay self-employment tax covering Social Security and Medicare. TurboTax will automatically calculate this and apply deductions. Now TurboTax will check your return for errors. You can file electronically via e-file to get your refund faster. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.